Hey everyone, welcome back to BetterAvecBourbon. Today we're going to be making a paper plane, which is an equal ingredient drink. The ingredients you'll need are Amaro, I've opted for Montenegro as it's what's on hand, Aperol. If you're not a huge fan of Aperol, just get the small bottle like me, a sweeter bourbon like Buffalo Trace, and lemon juice. Once you've grabbed your ingredients, shaker tins, coupe glass, and some ice, buckle up and let's get to it. First, grab your bar mat and start by putting 3/4 ounces of fresh lemon juice in. Three-quarter ounces of Aperol, three-quarter ounce of bourbon, such as Buffalo Trace. Nice, sweet, versatile bourbon that helps cut through the dryness of the Amaro. Then add 3/4 ounce of Amaro. Most opt for a Nonino, but I think Montenegro works just fine. Add your ice to your tin from your coupe you've been chilling. Shake well and strain. Practice your origami and garnish with a paper plane, or just use a dried lemon slice. Cheers.